Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by isolating the problem. Shut the local valve and open a downstream tap to relieve pressure. Once done, dry the joint and clear debris. Water stops, masks leaks, and prevents contamination. Use a cloth, small brush, and a flashlight to inspect the ferrule, nut, and pipe for nicks, corrosion, or cross-threading. If you have simple tools nearby, an adjustable wrench and correct size open end, position them right. You now loosen the compression nut with 2 wrenches. Hold the fitting body steady so you don't twist the pipe. Once the nut moves, back it off and slide the ferrule and nut off the pipe to inspect. If the ferrule is deformed, replace it. Deformed ferrules cause weeps. When installing the new ferrule, push it squarely to the shoulder, hand thread the nut, and then tighten with a wrench until snug. Over-tightening can deform the ferrule and cause a new leak. You finish by slowly repressurizing the line and watching closely for any seepage. Tiny drips can mean the ferrule isn't seated. If you see a micro drip, tighten the nut a further 1/8 turn and test again. Make sure to explain why. Slow tightening seats the ferrule without crushing it. If leaks continue after a new ferrule and correct torque, replace the compression fitting or, as a temporary measure, apply approved epoxy putty. But plan a full replacement promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.